In Victorian England, thousands of children disappeared into chimneys, and some never came back out. These children were known as chimney sweeps. Most were poor, most were forgotten, and many were under 10 years old. Chimneys were narrow and twisting. Adults could not fit inside them. Children could. Desperate families sold their children to master sweeps for a few coins. Many parents believed this was the only way their children could survive. Before sunrise, children were sent up chimneys, barefoot and alone. They scraped soot with their hands and knees. The chimneys were dark, hot, and barely wide enough to breathe. Some children became stuck, trapped in complete darkness. When children refused to climb, masters lit fires beneath them. The heat and smoke forced them upward. Many suffered burns, broken bones, and damaged lungs. Some developed a rare cancer caused by constant exposure to soot. Few chimney sweeps lived long lives. Many died young. Others survived, but were never truly free from the damage. The city stayed warm. Homes stayed clean, and most people chose not to see the cost. After years of protest and tragedy, laws were finally passed. By the late 1800s, child chimney sweeping was banned. They were children, not workers. They were victims, not heroes. This is one chapter history tried to forget. You've been watching Forgotten Chapters, where lost stories come alive.